From last 3 years, I've been using cleaningcompany.ae for all my cleaning needs. It's very easy to book them through their online website. The customer care service guys reach out to me asking for my preference of my cleaning. They send the right people for the cleaning. The cleaners are always on time. They listen to all my instructions according to the cleaning requirements that I need. Once the cleaning is done, the best part of cleaningcompany.ae is they give you a call and find out how the cleaning is being done. So I'm very much confident in referring them to my friends and family for all their cleaning needs. Thank you.